Well, very pretty flower motif Royal Kent sandwich or cake plate from mid-century. Nice eared handles with some scroll moulding. You can see the relief moulding here. Maybe if I bring it into the light you'll see that clearer. Here we go. Not picked out by the decorators in gilt, which is often the case, but it has got nice, very clean and unmarked gilt lineage right around this scalloped border. Show you the Royal Kent crown and banner marks, bone china, made in Staffordshire, England. Classic Royal Kent marks, very clean underside as you can see, and the actual plate surface on this one, not a mark on it, so as near mint as you're going to find. Doubt if we'll in our research find that this has a pattern name or number even for Royal Kent. They didn't tend to mark theirs particularly well, but we'll do some research on Google image AI searching and see if we can come up with any further details on this particular one to make it more easy to find if you're looking for a replacement in the marketplace. But otherwise a very nice clean example of Royal Kent porcelain mid-century bone china cake plate. Thanks for watching.